Hi guys, here I have created a little portfolio about myself. My name is Brianna Murphy. I'm a pre-PA student at the University of South Florida. I'd like to welcome you all to my portfolio where I will be telling you about myself and my career goals. My academic and social experiences have led me to where I am today as I strive to become a successful physician assistant. And then I have some images down here relating to my focus and health. You can slide through and see all the images there. And then moving on to the next page is just a little information about myself and my history. I was born and raised in Bristow, Virginia, which most people probably won't know. It's a few miles outside of our nation's capital, Washington, D.C. I have always been super active, super busy, and I've always had a passion for caring for people. I've been fascinated with medicine ever since I was a little kid. Unlike most other little kids, I would get super excited to go to the hospital and go to doctor's appointments. So this led me to wanting to work in the medical field, and this also led me to USF because they are known for being a very good medical school with 3 hospitals on campus. And then after entering college, I figured out what a physician assistant was. I had never heard of it before. And from my understanding, that it was basically the same responsibilities and privileges for the most part as a doctor, except they had a little more patient interaction, which was exactly what I wanted. So it was a perfect fit for me. So here I chose to be a physician assistant, and my adventure started. And then this is just a picture of Washington, D.C., a little bit from my home. Moving on, I have a little information about my work experience. Ever since I've entered college, I've been pretty busy. I've made an effort to be as involved as possible. I'm in a few clubs, the Pre-PA Society, which has been extremely helpful in connections and getting jobs and choosing classes and professors. I'm also enrolled in the USF UEMSA Club, which is associated with the Student Health Services and Emergency Department on campus. And I'm also a part of the USF Red Cross Club, which has just helped me to be involved in volunteering. I've also, in the last year, became volunteering at the Veterans Hospital, which has been an amazing experience. I just escort patients around the hospital, but it has been fascinating to see all the different cases, and it's amazing what they do there. I'm also a CNA at a skilled nursing facility, which is where I would say I've gotten my most experience. It's very hands-on. I'm with the residents constantly caring for them, and it has been a great hands-on experience. Next, I just have my resume. Click here, it takes you right to it. And then lastly, I have my link to my blog that you guys can come check out. Here's all my blog posts. And that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed.